Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebra problem. And here we have x square minus y equals 12 and xy equals 16. So we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now here first we focus on equation number 1, and our equation number 1 is implies that, so we move this minus y to the right hand side and we move this 12 in the left hand side. It is written as x square minus 12 equals to y. We call this is our equation number 3. And now we substitute this value of y in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that, so we have this is xy, so the value of y is x square minus 12. We substitute it here. X square minus 12 is equals to 16. Okay, here we need some simplification, and now you see here when we multiply this x on both of these terms, it is written as x cubed minus 12x equals to 16. So here we move this plus 16 in the left hand side. It is written as x cubed minus 12x minus 16 equals to 0. So now you see here this equation will become cubic equation in x variable, so that here we easily make the values of x from here. So here we use the factorization technique to solve this equation. And here now we break its middle term. So our middle term is minus 12x, and we write it as x cubed minus 4x minus 8x minus 16 equals to 0. Here we write this minus 12 as minus 4 minus 8. And now we take common x from first two terms, and it is written as x into x square minus 4, and here we take common minus 8, and the remaining terms are x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so here we rewrite this equation as in this form: x into x square minus, this is 4, we write it as 2 square, minus 8 into x plus 2 equals to 0. Here we need the nice square identity. You know about this identity. This is a square minus b square equals to x minus 2 times of x plus 2, and here you have minus 8 into x plus 2 equals to 0. And now you focus on both of these terms, and you see here we have x plus 2 be the common term, so that we take common x plus 2, and the remaining terms are x into x minus 2, and here we get minus 8 equals to 0. So that here we need more simplification, and it is written as x plus 2 into, we multiply this x on both of these terms, so it will becomes x square minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases, so that our first case is we take x plus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we take x square minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So from this case we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 2. So this is the first value of x. So now in order to find the other values of x, here we need to solve this quadratic equation. And now here we again make the factors of this equation. So here we need two numbers whose product is minus 8 and whose sum is minus 2, and these numbers are minus 4x and plus 2x. Okay, minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2, and 4 times of 2 becomes minus 8 equals 0. So now we take common x from the first two terms, and we get x minus 4, and we take common plus 2 from these two terms, and we get x minus 4 equals 0. And in the next step we take common x minus 4, and you get here x plus 2 equals to 0. So here we again divide this into the two cases, and we get x minus 4 equals to 0 and x plus 2 equals to 0. So here we get the value of x is equals to 4, and here we get the value of x is equals to -2. So here again we have the value of x is -2. So we have the value of x is -2 is repeated value, so we count down it one value. And now finally we have the values of we have two values of x. The first value is x equals to -2, the second value is x equals to 4. And now we find the values of y corresponding to these two values of x, so that here we need equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is implies that equation number 3 is y equals to x square minus 12. So here we substitute the above two values of x here, and we get the corresponding values of y. So first we substitute this value of x, and you get -2 square minus 12, and we have -2 square becomes 4 minus 12, and 4 minus 12 equals to -8. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is equals to -2. And now we substitute this value of y here. It is written as y equals x square. So x is 4 square minus 12, and we have 16 minus 12. So 16 minus 12 is equals to 4. Okay, so this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is 4. So finally we have the two solutions of the given equation are, the first solution is xy equals to xy is -2 and -8, and the second solution is x is 4 and y is 4. So we have these two solutions of the given equation, and now we have the time to verify these two solutions. Is these two solutions are satisfied our given equation or not? So now we copy down the given question statement. It is x square minus y equals 12 and xy equals to 16. So now first we verify our first solution. It is -2 and -8. -2 and -8. Now we verify this solution. It means that we substitute these two values here. It is written as -2 square, because here our x is -2 and y is -8 equals to 12. So this is 4 plus 8 equals 12, and 12 is equals to 12. This shows that first solution satisfied the first equation, and now we check its behavior in the second equation. So here when we substitute x is -2, y is -8 equals 16. So this is 16 equals to 16. So the value of x and y satisfy again the second equation. So it means that first solution satisfy our given equation. And now we move towards our second solution. Our second solution is 4 into 4. And now we substitute these two values in first this equation. And we see that it is written as 4 square minus 4 equals 12, and our second equation is 4 into 4 equals 16. Okay, so 4 square becomes 16 minus 4 equals 12. So we have 12 equals to 12. Okay, the second equation, second solution satisfied our first equation, and here you have 16 equals to 16, so that our second solution also satisfied our second equation. It means that these two solutions satisfied our given equation, and these are the two final solutions of the given equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.